Welcome to another tutorial of Guruji coaching classes. Today I am beginning with your computer playlist and I have received many requests regarding the binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversion. So this video is my dear class 7 students, okay, those who are facing problems in this topic, and they have been messaging me personally that ma'am, kindly make a video on this topic. So children, this one is for you. Okay, so let's begin the video. Firstly, I will begin with the introduction of what is binary number system and what is decimal number system. We are well known to the decimal number system. Well, I guess we are not much familiar with the binary system. So let's have a look. Right. So binary number system, actually children, the binary language is used by computer. Yes, so the computer understands the binary code language. So what is binary system? Binary system includes just two digits, only two digits, which are 0 and 1. So just imagine a system having 0 and 1. So there is no other digit which we need to include in this number system, right? Coming to the next number system, I missed out one thing. Yes, of course, very important. It has a base of 2, right? So base of binary number system, if anyone will ask you, you will always say 2. I will explain it in detail in just a moment when I will explain you the conversions, that what does this mean, right? So it has a base 2. Binary number system is the code language which is understood by the computer, okay, and this has only two digits, 0 and 1, right? So moving on to the decimal number system, children. This decimal number system has all the digits from 0 to 9, means it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right. So decimal number system, which we study in mathematics also. Yes, our number system, decimal number system, is made up of the 9 digits from 0 to 9. Sorry, 10 digits which are from 0 to 9, which are written on your board, screen in front of you, right? So it has a base of 10. Yes, children, so the base of decimal number system, please always remember it is going to be 10, and the base of binary number system is always 2, right? So now let's move on to the main topic, that is your conversion. Alright. So children, we are beginning with conversion from binary to decimal, okay? First I am going to teach you binary to decimal conversion, okay? We will try to understand with the help of some easy examples, then we'll go to complex problems as well. Okay, so coming on to the first one. So binary numbers, as I told you, is a combination of zeros and ones, okay? So let's write any number, any combination of 0, 1, 1, 0. Suppose this is the binary number, okay, and I told you that children, binary has a base of 2. Binary numbers have a base of 2. So what I need to do, I need to write a small 2 beside this bracket. I will write a small 2 beside this bracket, and now I have to convert it into which number system, children? I have to convert it into decimal, which I just explained, that decimal has a base of 10, right? So here, whatever we will get, we will write a small 10 beside this bracket. Clear? Just like this we will convert, and let's see the procedure for conversion. It's very, very, very easy, right? So let's have a look over here. 1. Firstly, we will copy all the digits of the binary number which is given to us, okay? So it is 1, okay? It is 1, 0. I'm beginning from a bit behind so that we can complete. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. I hope it is clear. Yes, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the first step, what we have to do, children, we have to copy the number, leaving space between. Okay, we have to leave some space in between them. Okay, I'll tell you why to leave space. For the further procedure, it's very important. Okay, so now beginning from this side, we will begin this way, means from right towards left, right? So we will begin this way. Now below the first digit, write 0. Please remember, always begin from 0 Children, you make a mistake of beginning from 1. Okay, that creates a problem. So always begin from 0. Okay, first digit, under first digit I have written this 0. Okay, and the second one I am writing 1. Third one I will write 2. Fourth one I will be writing 3. And fifth one will get 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. What we did, we began from this side 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Now what I am going to do, because this binary number system has a base of 2, I will make it a power of 2. So behind it make big 2's. Okay? We will raise it to the power 2. Right? So I am writing 2 over here like this. Okay? So this becomes 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. Clear? So simple. First what we did, we began from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? After this, I just made 2 here as the base of it, because base of binary number system is 2. So we have to write 2 here. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Right? So now what next step is, very carefully please look, I will copy this digit before this one. I will copy this digit before this one. What I have to do, I have to multiply. I have to multiply this digit with this power, whatever I have written. So I will again copy this one in the same manner. This one here, 1 into 2 to the power 2, it becomes 0 into 2 to the power 3. This one becomes 1 into 2 to the power 4. Now what we have to do, we have to add all this. We have to add all this. So we will make a plus sign in between. Plus sign in between like this. Plus sign in between. Okay. Okay. So I'll make it a bit below so that it comes in sequence. Yes, 1 into 2 to the power 1 लिख दिया हमने. ठीक है. सो अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके इस स्टेप को सॉल्व करना है. कैसे करेंगे हम, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू, लेट्स हैव अ लुक. फर्स्टली begin from here. Children, you should know 2 to the power 4 means what. To be quick in your calculations, it should be very clear. I'm writing here. See, 2 to the power 0 always means 1. You all make a mistake here. 2 to the, any number to the power 0 is always 1. If I say 100 to the power 0, it is also 1. 5 to the power 0, it is always 1. 7 to the power 0, it is 1 only, right? So always remember 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 0. Okay, so 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power 1 means 2, right? 2 to the power 2 means 4. 2 to the power 3 means 8. 2 to the power 4 means 16. And 2 to the power 5, although it's not given, but you should know it means 32. So we have to remember these powers to make our calculation faster, right? So 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32. I hope I'm clear this way, right? So let's solve it, children. Very easy task for us. We know these powers. We can do it easily, right? So 2 to the power 4, we know it is 16. It is 16. 1 into 16, okay? Plus 2 to the power 3, we know it is 8. But one small thing, we need to use our common sense a little bit, which could make our work more easier. That is, any number multiplied by 0 is always a 0, right? Any number multiplied by 0 is always a 0. So no need to solve, no need to use our brains here. Simply write a 0, right? So plus 2 to the power 2, it is 4. So we'll write 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. It remains 1 into 2 only, right? And again we have a 0, so we will not waste time solving it. We will simply write a 0, okay? This would make our work simpler. Okay, now powers work is done, so let's rub it. Yes, let's rub it. Okay, so now we are going to quickly just multiply and add fastly, okay? 1 into 16, we know it is 16 plus 0 we have here. 1 into 4, children, it is 4 plus 1 into 2 is 2, right? plus we have a 0. So let's add it quickly. 16 plus 4. Yes, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 2, we get 22. Is it okay? So we get our answer as 22. But one important point, when we are solving, we have to show this calculation. We have to show this working also. And what we have to do, we have to mention the base also, always. Please remember, your marks will be cut if you don't mention the base here, right? As it is always mentioned in the question, base 2 if it is binary given. Then while writing the decimal part of it, we will write the base 10. So we will write the answer this way. So this is the whole solution that you need to show in your answer sheets for getting full marks, right? So I hope this one is clear to you. Binary to decimal conversion is clear, okay? So now we will take more examples in the later upcoming videos. Now we will just have an example of decimal to binary conversion quickly, okay? So let's have a look how we will convert vice versa, okay? How we will convert vice versa. Okay children, now we are ready to do our decimal to binary conversion. So I have taken an example of 47 here. Children, what we need to do in this type of conversion? See, we are converting a decimal number into binary. So tell me the base of binary we just discussed in the previous conversion, that is always 2. So 2 is base of binary. It has a base of 2 and decimal has a base of 10. Yes, we will not consider it right now. Base of 10 we don't need. We are converting this decimal into binary and we know the base is 2. We have to simply keep dividing by 2. We have to simply keep dividing by 2. I know that you all must be knowing prime factorization. So just consider it as a type of prime factorization only. But here we will not consider any other factor than 2. So we will consider only 2 to divide our decimal number, right? So I am taking 47 as a small example to explain you all. Have a look how we are going to do. We will divide this number by 2. So let's have a look what we will get. When we divide 2 by 47 children, we get 2 2s are 4. Yes, we get a 7, then 3, then 6, then we get a remainder 1. Now why I am showing you this division is I know all of you know how to divide. I am not going to explain that. So have a look here. This is our quotient. Yes, this is our quotient. This is our remainder. This is our remainder. This is our quotient. What we have to do is children that we have to write the quotient here and we have to write the remainder in front. Where I have written Q, you will always write the quotient part. Where I have written R, you will always write the remainder part, right? And please remember one thing very nicely, be very careful. In binary, when you are using binary number system, there will be no other number than 0 or 1, okay? You will always get an answer in zeros and ones only. So don't get confused, okay? Please have a look here. You will write the quotient in the center just below this number and you will write the remainder in front, okay? Just before it, right? So I'm just rubbing it. Let's write the quotient here. Our quotient is 23 and उसके सामने आप लिखोगे अपना remainder. Remainder कितना मिला है हमको यहाँ पर? We have got 1. Okay, so I've written the remainder here. I've written the quotient here. Now what I'm going to do next? Now again I'm going to divide it by 2. दोबारा 2 से इसको divide करेंगे. So अब देखते हैं 23 को divide करने पे क्या मिलता है. 23 को जब हम divide करेंगे 1s are 2, right? उसके बाद आप 3 लोगे, then again 1s are 2 और यहाँ पर मिलेगा 1 remainder. So 1 remainder हो गया आपका, 11 आपका quotient हो गया. तो हम 11 लिखेंगे यहाँ और हम लिखेंगे 1 रिमाइंडर को इसके सामने, ठीक है? इसके सामने हमने इसका रिमाइंडर पार्ट लिख दिया. दोबारा इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे हम, सबको पता है सिंपल डिवीजन है. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. जब आप 11 में से माइनस करते हो आपको क्या मिलता है रिमाइंडर? एवरीवन नोज 1 मिलता है हमको. यस, दोबारा आप इसको जब 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये जाएगा 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 जाएगा, ठीक है? 4 टाइम्स जब 4 इसमें से आप माइनस करेंगे 5 - 4 आपको मिलेगा 1, ठीक है? 1 हमारा रिमाइंडर हमने सामने लिख दिया. अभी दोबारा 2 से आप डिवाइड करोगे इसको, ठीक है? हमने इसको दोबारा 2 से डिवाइड करना है. अब कितने सा जाएगा? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? यस प्लीज, करेक्ट. सो दिस विल गो 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Now we will get a 0 remainder. Okay, we'll get a zero remainder. But children, one important tip to you, that keep dividing till you get zero here in the question part. जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन वाले पार्ट में इस पोर्शन में नीचे जीरो नहीं मिल जाता, आप लोग डिवाइड करते रहिएगा, ठीक है, सो दैट आप कोई मिस्टेक ना करें. ये रूल है, ठीक है. जब तक यहाँ जीरो नहीं आएगा हमें डिवाइड करते रहना है. ओके, सो 2 zeros are how much? 2 zeros is 0. सो 2 में से 0 गया. ये मैं डिवीजन आपको दिखा देती हूँ क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों को यहाँ भी कंफ्यूजन हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. मैं यहाँ कर रही हूँ, आप देख सकते हो. सो मुझे 2 को डिवाइड करना है 1 से, ठीक है. मैंने लिया 2 zeros. 2 into 0 कितना होता है बच्चों? 2 into 0 होता है 0. सो 2 zeros 0 लिया, मैंने इसको माइनस किया, रिमाइंडर मिला 1. अब मैं ये क्वेश्चन पार्ट यहाँ लिख रही हूँ और ये रिमाइंडर जो है आपका इसके सामने लिख दिया मैंने इसे, ठीक है. रिमाइंडर कितना था हमारा 1, तो मैंने यहाँ पर 1 लिख दिया, ठीक है. अब आपको आंसर कैसे मिलेगा? वेरी क्विक, यू विल गेट द आंसर नाउ. योर आंसर इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. आपको क्या सीखना है? इसको लिखने का तरीका सीखना है. तो आप नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाओगे, ठीक है. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ मतलब फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप, नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे हम. नीचे से ऊपर मैंने यहाँ एरो बनाया है. और आप जब इसको अपनी नोटबुक्स में सॉल्व करते हैं तो आपको भी एक बात का ध्यान रखना है अच्छी तरह से कि आप ऐसा एरो ज़रूर शो करें, ठीक है. आपको ऐसा एरो ज़रूर शो करना है टू शो दैट द कैलकुलेशन इज गोइंग फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. यहाँ हम कैसे शो करें, ठीक है. अब हमें आंसर मिल गया है, पर आंसर को सही तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करना भी बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है ताकि हमें पूरे नंबर मिल सके. सो देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे हम. ओके, 47 हमारा क्वेश्चन था कि मैंने लिया था डेसिमल, इसको मैंने कन्वर्ट किया था बाइनरी में. तो अब मैं यहाँ से शुरू करूँगी बच्चों, नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ेंगे हम. वी विल मूव फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. सो इट विल बी 1 0 1 1 1 1. ओके, सो 1 0 1 1 1 1 will be our answer. Okay, so 1 0 1 1 1 1 is our answer. This is so simple. Now आपको ये भी समझ में आ गया है कि आपने बाइनरी को डेसिमल में वापस कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. तो एक आपको सीक्रेट बात बताती हूँ. जब अगर आपको कहीं कंफ्यूजन लगे कि हमारा आंसर सही हो रहा है कि नहीं, कि मैंने कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं कर दी, और आपके पास एग्जाम में टाइम भी बच जाए, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप इस बाइनरी को वापस से डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करके अपने आंसर को चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है. और ओके, सो अब मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा, ठीक है. घर पे रहिए, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. प्रैक्टिस से बेहतर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना आप इम्प्रूव करोगे, ठीक है. एंड अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, समझ में आया हो, तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिए मेरे चैनल को. थैंक यू सो मच.